This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jillian Didier. This beautiful 3-bedroom/2-bath second-level apartment home with the links in Haile Plantation boasts a breathtaking view of the 15th fairway from the balcony. Features include an open floor plan with cathedral ceilings, split bedrooms, a fully equipped kitchen with hardwood cabinets, granite countertops, ceramic tile and all newer stainless steel appliances. Both bathrooms also have granite countertops, hardwood cabinets and ceramic tile. The unit comes equipped with a washer/dryer. Rent includes trash collection and yard care. Enjoy all of the amenities the links at Haile Plantation has to offer, including the community pool and fitness center. $60 application fee per person over the age of 18. $60 guarantor fee, if applicable. $250 leasing fee, due at time of lease signing. This unit is pet friendly with a $300 non-refundable pet fee, per pet, per year. Breed restrictions apply. For more information, review the details below.